I was so scared. Yes, when I saw it, I was so scared. I was scared. So I'm going to be showing you the clip below. So just stay tuned as I turn the clip for you to watch. Day to you wherever you may be. I want you to just watch this clip and see what is going on after the hand sanitation, start cleaning his hand. The doctor, you can see how he got infected right in the hospital, trying to help the patient that is affected with the virus, coronavirus. See, when I watched this clip, I got so scared. I don't know if I'm the other person. The way it's spreading, you can imagine. So at the end of the day, I was like, it's God that is going to help us and see how it's being spread. As a doctor, he needs to take care of the patients. That is the truth. Even the visitor that came to visit, the door that she opened has been infected. Even where he's taking water now has been infected. The newspaper he took has been infected. I'm very sure the chair he stood up from now has been infected too. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to show it to my white family and friends to see what is going on. That this virus of a thing is real. We just need to continue to stay safe. For now that we are asked to stay indoor, please, we should try and do so. I know it's not easy. For some of us that are used to going out, go to the park like me, go out to buy things, just stroll around, especially those that do jogging. No, I know it's not easy, but for our heads, I think we need to stay indoor because the way it's spreading is getting too much. I decided to show it to you. Please, let's continue the gist on the comment section. I want to hear your opinion. What do you think? Is it that I'm the only one that is feeling this way, or I don't know, is it staged? I don't know. After watching this, I was like, what is going on? Everybody in the hospital is infected, even our doctors here. I was thinking, I said, those that are helping the patient, how are they securing themselves? Because right now they are not home. They are right in the hospital taking care of the patient. How are they helping themselves? How are they staying safe? Since they asked us to stay indoor, how are they keeping themselves from this virus that is going around? May God continue to help us. I was so shocked. I was like, God, is this real? Anything you touch in the hospital, anywhere you go, no. I want to hear your opinion in the comment section. Let's continue the gist there. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your encouragement. We really appreciate you. The person has gone out now, is infected. So you can imagine. Oh, it is well. It is well. I don't even know what to say. It is well. God will continue to help us. Let's just continue to do it the right way. Let's stay indoors, stay safe wherever you are. because we don't really know where this thing is. It's not written on the face. Yes, it's not something that you can see physically. Thank you so much. Let's continue to stay safe wherever we are, please. I know it's not easy to stay indoor 247. Right now I'm feeling it, but because of our health, we just have to do this because it's really spreading. Thank you so much. Bye.